Three identical metal plates with large surface area are kept parallel to each other as shown in figure. The leftmost plate is given a charge Q and the rightmost plate is given a charge -2Q, and the middle one is neutral. Find the charge appearing on the outer surface of the rightmost plate. Fine. Now let's say that Q charge is given to this plate, and let's say Q1 charge out of Q goes to inner plate, inner surface. So the charge on this surface will be Q minus Q1. Fine. Now if this surface contain Q1 charge, then this plate will have minus Q1 charge on this surface, so that the electric field will be terminated on this surface. No electric field will go inside the conducting plates. So again, if minus Q1 is initiated over here, this plate, that is the second plate, is neutral, so equal and opposite charge must be induced on the another side, that will be plus Q1. Again, if plus Q1 is generated over here, then minus Q1 will be generated over here. So the net charge over this surface is 2Q minus Q1. Fine. Now let's say I do have a point A. Now what I'll do is I'll calculate the net electric field at point A. That should be equal to 0 because this point A is inside a metal conductor, and the net electric field at this point A should be 0. Now we know that electric field is given by sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So I'll just use this very concept to calculate the electric field at point A. Now electric field due to this charge will be given by Q minus Q1 divided by 2 epsilon naught plus. Now the direction of electric field due to this plus Q1 charge and this minus Q1 charge will be equal and opposite. Magnitude will be same, so it will be cancelled, no need of writing. Similar for the case, this plus Q1 and minus Q1, their magnitude and direction will be same and direction will be opposite, so they will be also get cancelled, so no need of writing them. I do have this charge, so the electric field due to this charge will be given by minus 2Q by Q1 divided by 2A epsilon naught again, that is equals to 0. So I do have Q minus Q1 is equals to minus 2Q plus Q1, comes out to be 3Q is equals to 2Q1, so Q1 comes out to be 3Q by 2. Fine. So the charge appearing on the outer surface of the rightmost plate, that is given to me as minus of 2Q by Q1. Substitute the value of Q1, minus 3Q by 2, comes out to be minus of Q by 2. That is the answer.